Hey everybody, welcome to chemistry. Obviously, as I told you yesterday, I'm not here today. Mr. Stewart is here. Please be great to him. And he'll be good to you too. Anyway, again, welcome to chemistry. And we got some things to do today. And work hard. So a couple things you should have turned in that were due this morning. One was the project management worksheet, which if you did it in class with us yesterday, you already turned that in yesterday during class. And then the other one was the second 6 terms of your STEM Innovator vocab. Those are the two things that were due this morning. Just a reminder, right now we've got homework every day. We've got interviews for your interview log. You can do some of that over the weekend. That'd be awesome. Get some of that taken care of. Next steps for your project and your vocabulary packet, 6 terms per week. So probably already heard this today, but here it goes again. The bell has rung. Class has begun. At this point in time, personal electronics, including headphones, cell phones, etc., should be off and away, which means I can't see them and neither can you. Please take a moment to stow your devices if you haven't already. All right, so today we're going to start, as promised, with the vocab quiz number 2. It is in Schoology. It's a quick quiz. It goes in the formative category. This one's out of 9 points. You get 2 attempts for your best score. No notes, okay? And go as soon as I'm done with this. As soon as I'm done with this video. Okay, when you're done, you can work on your next set of 6 terms until people are ready to roll, or you can go ahead and move on and do the rest of what's in this video. So, next set of 6 terms, key partners to N equals. That's due next week, Wednesday, in your packet at 11:59. Next quiz is quiz 3 on Thursday, because you do not have school next week, Friday. Today's learning target is to describe your growth as an innovator. So then once you finish your vocab quiz, the next thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing your Innovator Profile 2. Okay, so again, you're going to go into the STEM Innovator app, do Innovator Profile. Over here on the complete side, you'll have Innovator Profile 2. So you'll click that and then go ahead and respond to all 18 categories again. Okay, so give your response to the skills and attitudes. Do not overthink your rankings. So spend no more than 15 seconds giving yourself a score of 1 to 100. Then spend about a minute describing why you chose those rankings, and then another minute or 2 giving me an example for that ranking. Okay, again, your grade on this is not based on your rankings. It's based on the quality of your answers. So again, your description of why you chose that ranking and your evidence or examples for the ranking are what give you your grade on this. All right. So then when you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and take a little screenshot of the screen that shows that Innovator Profile 2 has been completed, and you'll go ahead and then submit that to Schoology. All right, I don't know why this is displaying so weird, but these are your tasks then for today. Okay, so first thing you should do is take that STEM Innovator quiz number 2. Then when you're done with that, do your Innovator Profile number 2. Okay, that is due on Sunday night. Okay, the other thing that you have due coming up on Sunday night is your Team Value Rubric Reflection. Okay, so that is due on Sunday night as well. If there are still things that you need to do, like giving your teammates feedback or watching pitches, please make sure you go ahead and do that. Okay. As always, over the weekend, you can work on your next steps. What are things that you need to get accomplished? And then you can also work on your next 6 terms in your STEM Innovator vocabulary. And you can also work on getting your interviews done. Okay, so lots of things for you to do, more than enough for you to keep busy for the entire hour. So work hard, and I will see you on Monday.